Eli is helping make a warm welcome quilt for newcomer families. The first version is a 4x4 quilt of patches. The team decides to make it a little bigger. They add one more row of patches at the top and one more column on the right. Now it is a 5x5 quilt. How many new patches did Eli's team sew? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Just count the new patches around the old quilt. The old patches stay where they are. Let us draw the old quilt first. A 4x4 quilt has 4 times 4 patches. That is 16 patches. These are the patches that were already sewn. Now add the new row and the new column. The new top row has 5 patches all the way across. The new right column has 4 more patches below the top row. So the border adds 5 plus 4. That is 9 new patches. Let us check another way. A 5x5 quilt has 25 patches in all. The old 4x4 quilt had 16, so 25 minus 16 is 9 new patches. Same answer. 9 new patches. Eli's team sewed 9 new patches to grow the quilt. Watch this. The shortcut from the foundation video matches perfectly. 5 squared minus 4 squared equals 5 plus 4 times 5 minus 4. That is 9 times 1. Which is 9. The 2 squares trick gives the same 9. The answer is 9. When a square grows by 1 row and 1 column, the new border has sum of sides patches. 5x5 minus 4x4 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. This is the difference of squares trick in its smallest form. The next level uses bigger quilts. Same idea, bigger numbers. After that, you will see the trick hidden inside design clues that do not even mention squares. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.